If you're thinking about buying a steam oven or bought one recently, you'll of course want to know the best way to clean and maintain it. In this video, I'll show you the best way to clean your new steam oven to make it last longer and perform like new every time you cook. As a bonus, I'll show you how to download our free speed and steam oven buying guide so you can learn even more about the latest steam ovens. Let's get started. We recommend regularly cleaning your steam oven, especially after use, and descaling when prompted, plus the occasional deep clean to keep it working to its fullest potential. Gaggenau has a self-cleaning cartridge system. It's as easy as installing it into the ceiling of the oven and turning on either the self-cleaning mode or the descaling mode. You don't have to worry about doing this every time you cook because the Gaggenau has a drain and its own automatic drying and descaling routine it does after each time you cook. Miele's perfect clean interior repels water and debris, making it easier to clean after each cooking session. It has a drain that collects the splatter and wastewater into a tank, and we recommend emptying the tank after every use, even if it's not full. It goes through a self-rinse cycle after each cooking session and asks you to open the oven door and let it cool down and evaporate as well. With the Wolf, you'll have to manually wipe the residual moisture out of the interior. You can also turn on the convection system to help dry it out. Something I appreciate is the ability to remove the door to make it easier to reach to the back of the oven when cleaning. Cleaning the JennAir is like cleaning the Wolf. You want to manually wipe away the residual moisture and turn on the convection system to dry it out. The Thermador steam ovens have a porcelain enamel interior, not unlike conventional ovens. Just like the Wolf and JennAir, you'll have to wipe down the residual moisture and turn on the convection system to dry it out completely. Again, always be as thorough as possible before running the convection system to dry out the oven cavity to avoid baking on debris that's even more difficult to clean. Click the link in the description to download our free speed and steam oven buying guide to learn even more about cooking with a steam oven and the convenience and efficiency you can get from each brand. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.